Hello friends, welcome to the Amu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this model, we are going to discuss our eighth question. So what is there given here is A and B two coordinates. That two coordinates joining by one line segment. That line segment is divided into four equal parts. So what are the coordinates which will going to divide the line segment joined by A and B? We have to find it into four equal parts. So first of all, let's going to draw one line and let's going to divide with the three coordinates into four equal parts. After that, we're going to using that midpoint theorem, that is midpoint formula, and we're going to continue our solutions. So here, let's going to draw A and B. So here, what is A and B? Let's going to draw A and B line. So here A will be equal to minus 2 comma 2 and B will be equal to 2 comma 8. So this is our one. So let's going to divide these two coordinates into midpoint. This is one more point. Let's going to take, this is midpoint of this one. Let's going to take, this is P, and P and midpoint of AP will be, let's going to take Q, and this is R. So what are that? Here midpoint of A and B will be equal to P. First we are going to calculate this point. What is this coordinates? P of x comma y, and A midpoint of A and P is Q. So here how many parts? 1 2 3 4. Four equal parts. AB is divided into four equal parts. So that one we are calculated. Next one, here QR we need to calculate. So let's go in any two coordinates. So let's take midpoint. Midpoint of A and B, whatever midpoint between 2 points. Midpoint of A and B. Let's going to take A and B. That formula is, let's going to take, that is x1 plus x2 by 2. And the sum of all the coordinates respectively x or y, then y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is our formula for the calculating point. So what is the midpoint of A and B here actually? Midpoint of A and B will be equal to P of x comma y. So here P of x comma y, let's going to take any point P of x comma y. Let's take this is on. So what is A coordinate? Minus 2 comma 2, and B is 2 comma 8. So x1 plus x2, minus 2 plus 2 whole divided by 2, and y1 plus y2, 2 plus 8 by 2. So here plus 2 minus 2 will going to cancel. That is 0 by 2. 2 plus 8 will be 10. 2 ones are, then 2 fives are. That will be equal to 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5, that is P of x comma y. So 0 comma 5, what you can write it here, 0 comma 5 is a point. So this one 0 comma 5. Then again midpoint of P and A. Let's going to take midpoint of P and A. So P and A. So A is nothing but minus 2 comma 2 and P is nothing but 0 comma 5. That will be equal to, that is midpoint of P and A is Q. That is Q of x comma y. Q of x comma y. So that is Q of x comma y. So here Q of x comma y, that is x1 plus x2, minus 2 plus 0 by 2, again 2 plus 5 by 2. So that value we will get it here as minus 2 by 2, 2 plus 7 by 2, 2 ones are, then 2 ones are, again minus 1 comma 7 by 2, that is Q of x comma y. So this is minus 1 comma 7 by 2. So that is our next coordinate. So that is our next coordinate. What is our last one? PQR. So midpoint of P and B. So what you can write it here is midpoint of, what you can write, P and B. P and B, that will be equal to R of x comma y. So here R of x comma y will be equal to, so here P is what? 0 comma 5 and B is what? 2 comma 8. So it is midpoint of only P and B. Don't confuse it. It may be midpoint of Q and B like that. No, it's not like that. So R of x comma y, that is x1 plus x2, 0 plus 2 by 2, 5 plus 8 by 2. So 2 by 2, 5 plus 8. What is that? 13 by 2. 13 by 2, 2 ones are, then 2 ones are, 1 comma 13 by 2. This is R of x comma y. So this is what? 1 comma 13 by 2. 1 comma 13 by 2. So these are the three coordinates which will divide the line segment joined by two coordinates A and B into 4 equal parts. These are the three. What is that? P of x comma y, Q of x comma y, and R of x comma y. These are the three coordinates. If you like the video, please like and please try to share with your friends and family members.